Hi, I'm Brandon from Kickstart PPC, and in today's video, we're going to be going over organic versus PPC dependence, because this can be killer when it comes to TACOS. You could have the best metrics, you could have great ACOS, but your PPC dependence is too high, and then that's killing your organic, causing your TACOS to be high. So we're going to show you all that and show you some solutions, especially if you're in this situation. So let's jump into it. Now I've got the demo account up here just to protect everyone's privacy. But to actually go in, all you need to do, go on the main page here, Scale Insights, find your product you want to check out, click this. It'll give you the 7 days, but you can go ahead, change that to 14, 30, whatever you want. And what you want to be looking at is for PPC dependence. This figure here, so like 15, 14, 7%, that's quite good. What you'll want to be looking at is, so your PPC units, your PPC organic units, find out what the percentages are, because if you're kind of in the 50-50 range, that's a pretty healthy account in normal circumstances. If it's low like this, brilliant. You can probably increase on the PPC because you're only getting 10 units. There's probably a lot more you can be doing. If you're in the 80, 70, 80% kind of range, that's typically a problem, especially if you're not in those early stages when you've just restocked a product or you're a new launch. You should have some organic sales. Now, an issue can be that you're pushing, you're doing good on ACOS, so you've got like 10, 5% ACOS campaigns, but still, even though you're going after the right keywords, you're having a problem. So TACOS are still not good, margins are still not good. Now, what you want to be looking at is, okay, you're going after the right keywords, so that's not an issue. ACOS is good. Are you running every type of campaign? If you are, search up that keyword and see what shows up. Put it in incognito first, but see, are you suppressing your organic rank so people only see your paid search? If you are, you're potentially, damaging your organic sales by running so much PPC. Now, this is more of an issue where a market has less demand. So this could be more like a Canada or Australia or something where it's less demand overall. So you don't have as much competition and your campaigns are going to run all day long. In the US, you're probably going to have your campaigns run out of budget. You're going to have organic takeover. There's going to be a bit more of a give and take. But when it comes to smaller markets, this can become a problem. So what you want to look at doing is decreasing PPC dependence. Now, the way you can do that is look at, okay, sponsored product is all about ranking. So you want to keep sponsored product going. You don't want to pause any of those. But do you need to be running sponsored display? Do you need to be running sponsored brand video? If not, then go ahead, pause some of them. If you do, maybe decrease the budget, see what happens. Keep your sponsored product campaigns running, but maybe you want to decrease the budget. If you're running out of budget partially through the day, your organic rank will be the one showing. So you'll get more organic ranks or more organic sales by default if you do it in this sort of way. This is another perspective, and I've actually seen this work quite a few times. So it's something I recommend, especially if you're kind of in this situation. Now, this doesn't work on all marketplaces. So you want to be actually checking your keyword rankings. Are you in the top 4? Like top 3, top 4? Are you doing well on conversion rates? Do you have good ACOS campaigns? Because there's a lot of factors that could make you higher PPC dependence than organic. So you want to be looking at the source, looking at, is there a listing issue? Is there something wrong with my product? Fix that. If there's nothing else that could be wrong, or your listing is fully intact the way it needs to be, then this could be a problem. So have a look at it, see if you can fix it, and this might be able to bring your PPC dependence down to like the 50% mark. That's kind of the goal, and that's kind of where TACOS will start to stabilize at a more affordable level for you. Because TACOS, it's such an important metric. It's all about your profitability, so you need to have that in check, and you don't want to be spending more than you need to be. So check that out and see what you can do. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, learned how you can sort this situation out. I know it's quite frustrating, especially if you've got a high TACOS, low ACOS, and you're trying to figure out, okay, how do I bring that down, improve my margins. It's not just cut and dry that you cut PPC bids, because typically when you're in that situation, maybe you'll lose ranking off some of your best performing keywords, whilst kind of going in this gradually reduced dependence can be a better solution. So look what's best for your business, look at the data, use Scale Insights. If you don't have Scale Insights already, we've got a free trial below. It's a 30-day free trial with a 10% off lifetime discount, no credit card required. So worth signing up if you don't have it already. If you need help with your Amazon PPC, you can sign up for an audit. You can just contact us on our link below, kickstartppc.com. We'll have a look at your PPC, see if there's anything we can do, especially where we can fix any problems that you have. So reach out to us that way. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll make sure you don't miss out on any Amazon PPC and FBA related content. So until the next video, hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you soon. Bye.